In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can factory reset your DJI Pocket 3. Okay, this is how you factory reset it. So what you do is go ahead and power it on, and then swipe down from the top there, and you'll see the options here. You're going to want to go to that gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Now you're just going to want to swipe. Keep swiping all the way. It's near the bottom. And right there, you'll see factory reset. Go ahead and tap on that. And it'll want to confirm if you want to restore to factory settings. And then you'll just click on confirm. And as you see, it'll start. All right, and then you'll see it start doing its factory reset. And there you go. There you have it. It's back to as if you bought this thing brand new. And that's how you factory reset your DJI Pocket 3.